Yeah, feeders are busy today, Tuesday, March 6th. I think it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Didn't check the time, so somewhere thereabouts. And have a lot of action at the feeders here. I mean, all kinds of birds all over them. That one just keep looking to my right over the tree over the suet cake feeder to that one, the green one, and that was the one they named Ronnie the redhead there, the red-headed woodpecker, the red-bellied woodpecker, really. I guess the official name for it. I don't think you did hit and run. The birds there with the yellow on them, they've gotten really yellow in the last 2 weeks, so I have to find out. Well, by the time I figure out what all these birds are and all that happy stuff, I'll probably be long gone from this world. Now where is he? Yeah, he's on it. That's him. I believe that's Ronnie the redhead. Well, at least I think there's at least two red-bellied woodpeckers here, with look the same. So, well, got a brief shot of him. Where is he? He went up in a tree. You crazy bastard! There he is. Crazy birds. Well, let me come back down to this. Zoom back in. I have bifocals, so I take my glasses on and off. I can kind of look under them, over them. Yeah, loving this back here. All these birds flying around, all the different so I'm missing that one. I'm looking up at another one not too far away from it. So let me kind of zoom back. Is the other one there? Where are you? Yeah, you get two of them. Two of the, I can find them. Yeah, I'm probably looking right at them along with, there they are. They're both together. Duh. Yeah, CBS can't see. Yeah, and there he is back again. There he is. Ronnie the redhead. So, he's going to town to eating that. That's the suet cake that has the mealworm in it and has berries in it. So they're loving that. Look at that, got a nice big chunk of it. There you go, it takes off with it. Probably taking it somewhere to go up on a tree, eat it, come back and grab some more and take off with it. Well, getting a lot of action from the birds here right now. We go back over to that one. There's also two other feeders to my left. The one with the clear dome on it, and another green one just like this over there too. And they're getting some getting a good number of birds over there. He or she sitting there waiting their turn for the other bird on there to leave, which is not the same species, I guess, the same type of bird, or whatever you want to call it. So let's go back, and let's go back over to suet cake. There was just a woodpecker on it. I don't know if it was a hairy or a downy, one of the smaller ones. I think the ones between the hairy and the downy, the ones that have red on it are the males, and the ones that don't have red on them are the females. Like I said, it'll take me time to learn all this stuff. And even some of these regular, it seemed like the woodpeckers mainly were going for the suet cake, but you're getting some of the birds that aren't woodpeckers that have been going for this stuff that has the mealworm in it. But yeah, they're chomping away on it. So what the difference, whether that one's a hairy woodpecker or a downy woodpecker, I'm not exactly sure. I guess you gotta, I think it's, well, it depends on the size of the bird. I gotta go look it up again. They got the book and look stuff up online. I'll eventually time when be a little more accurate with who's what and all that happy stuff. But no, this is good. I like this, just sitting there watching the birds. I can hear them chirping, watch them flying around and being birds. Nice and peaceful. Got a warm day with a cool breeze blowing, so come on. I think he's hiding here. I think the bird knows I'm filming, so yeah, I'll show him. I'll hide in the corner. It's not eating anything now. It's just on it. Oh, there it goes. Back to pecking at it again. Chow down. Now I shouldn't make this too long of a film because I got to put it on. Might put it on Twitter. But there he is, or she. Like I said, I think the ones that are red on the head are the males. The ones that don't have it are the females. That's how you can tell the difference. But then it's a difference. What's the difference between the downy and the hairy? Well, when it hits 7 minutes, I think I'm gonna stop, and I'm coming up in 7. So there you go. Good video. A lot of action back here. Loving it.